Looking for the best bolt cutters that slice through locks like butter? You're in the right place. Whether you're tackling tough padlocks, rusted chains, or master locks, we've rounded up the best bolt cutters for padlocks and heavy-duty bolt cutters for padlocks that deliver serious cutting power. From compact designs to industrial-grade monsters, we've tested the top performers so you don't waste a dime. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more hands-on tool reviews, because your next cut depends on it. Number 1. WORKPRO W017005A Bolt Cutter. Tackle tough cutting tasks with confidence using the WORKPRO Bolt Cutter bi-material handle with soft rubber grip. Engineered for durability and precision, this 18-inch bolt cutter features drop-forged chrome molybdenum steel jaws that are powder-coated for long-lasting performance. Whether you're cutting bolts, rods, chains, or rivets, the classic lever fulcrum design and precisely aligned blades maximize leverage, making every cut efficient with less strain. The ergonomic bimaterial handles are designed with soft, anti-slip rubber grips, providing comfort and greater control even during extended use. Built to handle tough jobs, this bolt cutter boasts an impressive cutting capacity, up to 1/4 inch, 6 millimeters, for materials with HRC less than or equal to 42, and up to 5/16 inch, 8 millimeters, for softer materials with HRC less than 25. Perfect for DIYers, handymen, or professionals, the WORKPRO W017005A is both powerful and portable. Weighing just 3.54 pounds and measuring 23.62 inches in length, it's easy to carry and store without compromising on strength. No batteries or external power needed, just reliable, hand-powered cutting when you need it most. Add this heavy-duty cutter to your toolbox and experience the quality and comfort WORKPRO delivers with every squeeze. Number 2. KNIPEX CoBolt CoBolt Compact Bolt Cutter. The KNIPEX 7101-200 CoBolt Compact Bolt Cutter is engineered for professionals who demand unmatched performance in tight spaces. Designed in Germany and built to endure, this 8-inch powerhouse delivers precision-grade cutting with 20x the force of your hand, thanks to its advanced lever action mechanism. Whether you're snipping bolts, nails, rivets, or even piano wire, this compact cutter tackles tough materials with minimal effort, requiring up to 61% less hand force than conventional cutters. Its induction-hardened cutting edges approximate 64 HRC, ensure long-lasting durability and high resistance, slicing through soft wire up to 6.0 millimeters, medium wire up to 5.2 millimeters, hard wire up to 4.0 millimeters, and piano wire up to 3.6 millimeters. Ergonomic plastic grips offer exceptional comfort, while the compact 8-inch size makes it ideal for toolboxes, service fields, or home garages. This is the #1 choice of tradesmen worldwide, trusted for real-world performance, reliability, and a brushed professional-grade finish. With a durable, quality-assured design and ENERGY STAR compliance, the KNIPEX CoBolt Cutter is not just a tool. It's an essential upgrade to your cutting power. Number 3. WORKPRO Mini Bolt Cutter. The WORKPRO 8-inch Mini Bolt Cutter is the perfect compact solution for cutting through wires, cables, and soft metal bolts with ease. Crafted from high-hardness, heat-treated alloy steel, this cutter offers exceptional strength and durability, boasting a cutting capacity of up to 2.3 millimeters, 3/23 inch. Its precision-aligned blades and classic leverage design provide more power with less effort, making it ideal for electricians, engineers, or DIYers on the go. The ergonomic, spring-loaded handles are made from slip-resistant PP plus TPR rubber, ensuring comfort, control, and safety during prolonged use. A built-in handle lock adds an extra layer of safety and convenience, allowing easy storage and secure transport. Despite its toughness, this mini bolt cutter is lightweight, just 280 G, and perfectly sized for your tool bag at only 8 inches long. Note, not recommended for cutting locks, heat-treated screws, or stainless steel bolts. Whether you're working on electrical tasks or light-duty metal cutting, The WORKPRO Mini Bolt Cutter delivers reliable performance in a portable package. Number 4. GreatNeck BC30 Bolt Cutter. Tackle the toughest cutting jobs with confidence using the GreatNeck BC 30-inch bolt cutter. Engineered for durability and power, this heavy-duty tool features drop-forged alloy steel jaws designed to slice through bolts, chains, padlocks, and threaded rods with ease. Whether you're cutting through metal fencing or breaking tough locks, the BC30 delivers reliable performance every time. Its adjustable and replaceable jaws allow for precise cuts and extended tool life, making it a versatile choice for professionals and DIYers alike. The tubular steel handles offer maximum leverage, reducing effort during heavy-duty tasks, while the non-slip cushioned rubber grips ensure comfort and control during use. Perfect for automotive work, construction sites, and home repairs, this bolt cutter is built to last and backed by a limited lifetime warranty. If you're looking for a trusted professional-grade bolt cutter for padlocks, steel wire, or fencing, the GreatNeck BC30 is your go-to solution. Number 5. That RIDGID 14223 Model S24 Bolt Cutter. Take on tough metal cutting tasks with confidence using the RIDGID 14223 Model S24 Bolt Cutter. This 24-inch heavy-duty tool is engineered for professionals who demand power, precision, and durability. Featuring hardened alloy steel jaws, it delivers long-lasting performance and effortlessly slices through bolts, screws, rivets, wire, and rods. Its center-cut blade design ensures clean, even cuts across a variety of materials, including soft metals up to 7/16 inch, medium metals up to 3/8 inch, and hard metals like stainless steel and spring wire up to 5/16 inch. Built for the job site, the S24 bolt cutter includes an internal cam mechanism that maintains blade alignment for consistent cutting accuracy. Ergonomic handles with slip-resistant grips provide enhanced leverage and user comfort, making it easier to power through dense materials with control. Made in the USA and backed by RIDGID's full lifetime warranty, the Model S24 stands as a trusted tool for plumbing, construction, and industrial applications. When reliability and cutting strength matter, RIDGID delivers. Now that you've seen the best bolt cutters in action, which one's going in your toolbox? Drop your favorite in the comments. Whether it's the best bolt cutters for master locks or heavy-duty bolt cutters for padlocks, we've got affiliate links below so you can grab yours today. If this helped, smash that like button and share with your fellow tool junkies. Subscribe for more no-fluff reviews on the latest tools that actually get the job done. Thanks for watching. Stay sharp, cut smart, and we'll see you in the next one.